Welcome to the Clapper Racing YouTube channel.
Wanted to make a little video about a product that I'm pretty impressed with for the money. Caught this on one of those Amazon Lightning deals. It's a Greenworks 1600 psi electric pressure washer, and for the money I don't think you can beat it. I want to say I paid around $69 for it, $59, something like that. I don't think they're more than $80 regular price. But I bought this, and I bought this foam cannon. I think this was like 16, 17 bucks from Amazon Prime, and it's a foam cannon, and you can adjust it, the fan, and you can adjust the amount that it does. You can adjust this little fan tip here, and those little pieces spread in and out, and basically you can control the fan width on how far it sprays. I was going to demonstrate it a little bit here and show you how it works, because I'm pretty impressed with the way it is for the money, and I just wanted to make a quick video about it. The pressure washer is about the equivalent of, like, the pressure is about the equivalent of a regular car wash. If you go through a regular car wash, I'll show you right here. It's pretty strong enough for what you need here. It's got two tips. It's got the 25 degree and the 40 degree. I'm just using this green 25 degree here, but I usually go over the car first here and get the loose dirt off, spray out from under the fender wells, and just get the bugs off, most of them that I can get off. But it's pretty powerful, and it cuts on and off as you pull the trigger. A whole lot easier than a gas one. But I'm gonna switch these tips out here and show you how this foam cannon works. I'm gonna just slide this on. It's just a quick connect. It goes into here, and show you how it foams up the car. So I always have this turned all the way clockwise, and then I have the fan spread out about like that. Usually gives like about an 8-inch span here, and I'll show you how it does. This is just regular car wash in here, and I filled it up to about right there, something like that. Not very much in there, just pour, do about a 3 Mississippi pour in there, and that's really all you need. But I'll show you how this thing works. Adjust the fan here. See that? There you go. A little bit too much. Way too much. Not enough. It's a little touching. That's pretty good for the money. I've got less than 100 bucks in this setup here, and I swear it's really nice. It goes through soap pretty good, but other than that, it's a really nice setup.